day flies up beside her, ask, why do you think they cry? And she says, love, 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 sometimes it's just not enough. And they don't think that we know this, 'cause we are just birds and we're free. And we only know about treetops, things like worms and bugs and seeds. And we've got love, 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 we know love. So all we need, we gonna fly away over the ocean, through the rain, over the mountain and above the plain, on a Sunday afternoon into a beautiful sunset day. There's a small park in East Kentucky where all of those lovebirds go. Since Johnny with June beside him, holding hands where they go, and they've got love, 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 they know love. So all they need, they gonna fly away over the ocean and through the rain, over the mountain and above the plain, on a Sunday afternoon. They gonna fly away through the cloud and fog of the unknown days, come out clean into a beautiful sunset day. Well, there's a barn out in Smiley Hollow where we all have gathered round, our family and friends beside us. Now we're singing and dancing out loud, and we've got love, 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 we know love. So all we need, we gonna fly away over the ocean and through the rain, over the mountain and above the plain, on a Sunday afternoon. We gonna fly away through the cloud and the fog of the unknown days, yeah, and come out clean into a beautiful sunset day. We gonna fly away over the ocean and through the rain, over the mountain and above the plain, on a Sunday afternoon. We gonna fly away through the cloud and the fog of the unknown days, yeah, and come out and clean into a beautiful sunset day. Today's 30 and 30 tune was Bird on a Wire. This song came out of a time when I wasn't touring a lot. I actually wasn't touring at all. I kind of walked away from music, and I still picked up my guitar and played some, but I took a 7-year hiatus. And I think that hiatus came about because I went through a couple traumatic experiences, and I was working a job that ate my soul, and I just didn't really have anything else to give creatively. I just was zapped, you know, life kicked my butt. And I did get a handful of really awesome tunes out of that period. I got the song Home out of that period. I got a song called Satellite. I got this song called Bird on a Wire. And it's a song about unconditional love. It starts off with two birds talking on a wire and not understanding why people cry. And the one bird says to the other, it's because love sometimes is just not enough. Baby, sometimes love. So I think, you know, sometimes animals have a better understanding of unconditional love than we do as humans. And it's just a simple little folk song about finding love and finding your family and, you know, finding your family. I hope you liked it. we're a third of the way. A third of the way to 30 and 30. We're a third of the way through 30 and 30.